Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to apply your false lashes. So first, of course, you want to get your glue tacky up on the band, the lash band. And then you want to go ahead and start applying. I first did apply a small layer of mascara. And then you just want to go ahead and align it upon your lash line. But first, make sure you allow the glue to get tacky. You don't want to still apply while the glue is still wet. And me personally, I'm kind of used to putting on lashes, so I just do it with my fingers or with my hands or with I cannot think, what am I trying to say, or with the tweezers, either or, but I just didn't have my tweezers on hand. So yeah, you just want to always make sure that the corners of the lashes are sticking correctly, because you don't want your lashes to lift. So yeah, just always make sure that the glue is tacky before applying, to help your lashes stay a little bit easier. Always apply, excuse me guys, always apply a small layer of mascara if preferred. And yeah, that's about it. And I'm just fixing my corners, like I said. You want it to fit your eye shape. You don't want it to be a straight band across. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is how you apply your mink lashes. And these lashes also are from my line, Uniqueextens. You can check them out at Uniqueextens on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching.